So the first question I know that a lot of people are asking themselves is, can I do this from anywhere in the world? And the answer is yes. And that's the beautiful part about starting a successful Amazon FBA business. The fact that you can actually start this from anywhere in the world. Amazon has marketplaces in a lot of countries. So it's not just Amazon USA. You also have Amazon Canada. You have several countries in Europe that have their own Amazon marketplaces, like Germany, the UK, Amazon Italy, Amazon Spain. And then you also have Amazon Sweden, which is a more recent addition, which is also a great opportunity. So you can actually sell on any of these marketplaces, any marketplace that you choose. And the best part is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. Now, there are certain rules that apply to certain countries, and we're going to go over that later on here in this tutorial. And I am basically going to show you every single step you need to take to successfully be able to sell no matter where you're from. So we're going to cover that. But the answer is yes, you can do this from anywhere in the world. And yes, you can build a successful business, and you can make 50K a year, 100K a year, even $1 million a year down the road.